back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a flawless photo ready full face of makeup, and I would say this is going to be an occasional makeup, you guys, because we're really going to beat this face. And as you all can see from my skin, of course I have imperfect skin, and also I'm so excited because I'm going to be trying out new brushes, you guys. Like, these brushes I believe is the only brushes you need for a flawless full face of makeup, and they are very affordable and also very high quality. So before you go ahead and apply any makeup on your face, you want to make sure you've taken care of your skin, like you've done your skincare, and the next thing will be to go ahead and apply a foundation primer. And the primer I'm going to be using today is from CoverGirl. This is their Matte Ambition mattifying skin primer, and this right here, you guys already know I'm obsessed with mattifying primer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. First of all, you have to shake it, because if you don't, it kind of comes out as a water solution. So you want to make sure you mix it really well. If you watch my makeup tutorials, you know I always use these brushes from Beauty Crush Cosmetics. I believe they just launched their new brush collection. Like, look at this cute packaging. You remember, if you guys watch my video, of course you would know this company right here. I really do rave and also love their brushes, because their brushes is such high quality but very affordable. Let me just turn off my light so you can see this cute packaging. It's so cute. Like, I'm getting my money ready for Black Friday and also for Christmas packaging. So cute. It has the name of the brand boldly written on the package, like it says Beauty Crush Cosmetics. This right here is their, I believe, all over face perfection collection, I think, because they covered every single thing from your face, that is your foundation, your contour, your highlights, your eyeshadow. Everything you need for a full face of makeup is right here. Okay, so this is their contour set. They have the all over face set, and it comes with 6 ultra high quality brushes, you guys. And then they have their highlight set and the eye brush set. Whoa, this is really a full collection, you guys. And then I'm just gonna apply it on my face. I love something like this for applying my primer, so I'm definitely gonna use this and blend out my primer. Oh my gosh, this feels so good on the skin. This company, they never disappoint. Honestly, I'm obsessed with their brushes. If you watch my tutorials, you know I only use green brushes, and now I have the pink one. Like, their brushes are so good. So you guys already know I don't go in with foundation immediately. I love to color correct with a dark brown concealer, and I'm using my MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette. I'm going to be using this, the green, one of the green brushes I was talking about, the Beauty Crush Dense Shot Blender brush. I'm going to pick up this brown concealer right here, and I will dot this on all the areas where I have dark spots. And you guys, this helps a lot in covering up my imperfection. You definitely need to try this out if you always find your imperfections, like your dark spots, your blemishes peeking through after you apply your makeup. You definitely need to try out this technique because it will help hide everything. Alright, so this is what we have right here, and the next thing is to go ahead and apply a foundation. And for today's video, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation, especially if you have a problematic skin. Like, this right here gives me a very nice full coverage and also matte finish. So that is the reasons I love using this foundation. Oh my, I'm so excited. Like, I have 2 new foundation brushes to play with. Look at this. Like, they have the kabuki brush and also the round foundation brush. I don't even know between these two which one to use, but I think I'm going to go in with the kabuki brush. I'm going to dot the foundation all over my face. And it's okay if you don't blend in the dark concealer. Like, once you blend in your foundation, everything will all blend in, so you don't need to worry. But if you're not comfortable with just leaving the dark brown concealer there, it's fine. You can blend it in before applying your foundation, but this is exactly how I love to do it. I'm gonna just begin to staple the foundation all over my face. And when I'm applying my foundation, I like to staple. I don't like to buff, because especially if you have a problematic skin, you want to make sure you push the product to cover your imperfections. This brush is actually a large kabuki. Oh my gosh, you guys know I love my foundation brushes really huge, so that, you know, it will make my blending easier. I like it when I have a large foundation brush, so that I just staple and that's it. It's not your regular size kabuki brush, because look at that. Look how huge this foundation brush looks. This right here is my Sigma kabuki brush. You guys, can you spot the difference? This brush is actually far bigger than this. Look how small this kabuki brush is, and look how large this looks. Look at that. So moving on, I'm going to be using this new iconic London seamless concealer in the shade Warm Tan and Rich Ebony, and they actually just released this concealer newly, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Very cute packaging. Oh, this is so rich. Look at this beautiful color. So I'm definitely going to be using the darker one for contour and this one for highlight. And also for the brushes, you guys, I'm going to be using the new Beauty Crush Cosmetics contour set. This comes with 4 different contour brushes, you guys. They have this gorgeous one right here. This is their large blender contour. It's actually very huge, and also I love the fact that the hair is kind of cream, you know, it's so cute. And then they have this one, the Pro Flat contour brush. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this right here is definitely going to be my favorite in this particular contour set, because it comes with hair on both sides. This one is called Bullet Under Eye Setter, so I guess this is just, oh my gosh, it's just perfect for setting your under eye. Oh my, I just looked down and saw that they also launched a new sponge, you guys. So I have this makeup sponge right here. Look at this blender right here. So I'm just gonna wet it, and this is how huge it looks when you wet it. I'm just gonna apply the contour and highlight. This concealer is very creamy, guys. Yeah, this looks really dark. It's a very rich color. I'm going to use these 2 contour brushes right here, the large blender contour and also the Pro Flat. Yeah, this is definitely very dark. This color is definitely very dark for me. Just quickly blend it out. For this side, I'm going to blend with the Pro Flat contour. Oh my gosh, look how this just blended out the contour. You can hardly even see the contour, unlike this side. This right here is definitely going to be my jam. Whoa, look at that. I mean, the fact that they added 2 contour brushes in this set is so good, because it just leaves you with options. If you like the flatter one, you can use it. If you like the angled one, you can also use it. You know, I always say that tools are very important. Tools are actually more important than the product itself, because you can use any product to apply your makeup, but when it comes to tools, you want to make sure you invest in very good tools, because yeah, the wrong tools can break your makeup, while the right tools can make your makeup. That's one thing I've noticed when it comes to makeup. And this right here is, look at that. It like these tools I have here, they are really performing magic on my face. When you apply a contour concealer and you feel it's too dark, you can just go over it with your sponge and it will just help dilute and blend it more. Wow, this sponge is crazy. It is crazy. Like, it blended out this side. Look at that. Flawlessly, seamlessly. Wow. So I'm going to go in immediately and set with Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to be using the Beauty Crush, this bullet brush right here, the BC161 Bullet Under Eye Setter. I'm going to try it out. Let's see how it performs with setting my under eye. Yay! Jeez. This is just perfect, like perfect for the under eye. Look at that. Wow. No joke. And it goes right, like right under the eye. I'm definitely going to try out this double-ended brush right here. I'm going to try out this one to set my under eye. Beautiful. Whoa, yes. With this one you can really see the powder. Like, so I believe the bullet one is, if you don't like applying a lot of products under your eye, this bullet one is definitely perfect for you. But if you like a well-defined under eye, this one is definitely going to be your girlfriend, because look, you can see the powder really defined under the eye. And also no creases, so look, everything is well blended. There is no crease, no nothing. My face peeled right here, so you can see like the acne I have right here peeled off, so that's why you can see that mark right there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my whole entire face, and I'm using MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deepest, and I'm going to be using this large finishing powder by Beauty Crush Cosmetics. This is actually huge. I've always wanted a very huge powder brush, and this right here is huge. This is not funny, it's like really huge, guys. So I'm going to dip it right into my powder and then use it to set like the outer perimeters of my face. This is a huge powder brush. Huge. I'm going to go ahead and contour, and I'm using Anastasia contour palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. I want kind of a dark contour. I'm going to be using this shade right here, and I'm using the other side of the brush. Remember, I used this side to set my concealer, so I'm going to be using this side now to contour. Very soft. This is just the perfect brush to apply your bronzer or your contour, because like it's just very precise. We're going to quickly move on to the eyes, and I'm going to be using this new Urban Decay Naked Honey palette, and this looks so cute, you guys. It looks as if you're just peeling honey in a plate. Look at this packaging. And also it comes with an eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. Of course, it comes in the normal Urban Decay eyeshadow palette package, and then when you pull it out, this is exactly how the palette looks. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, the brush just fell out. Let me get it. Okay, so it comes with this gorgeous brush right here. I think I'm going to be using these three shades right here. Of course, I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow with the new Beauty Crush Cosmetics eyeshadow brushes. Like, I can't wait to try out this blending brush. I've always wanted something like this. I'm going to go in with the shade I told you guys. It's kind of a very nice warm brown. It just swipes everything at once. I'm going to switch my brush to this one right here. This is the Dome Shader brush, and I will use the next shade. This one is called Keeper, and this is more like a precise brush, as you all can see. So I'm just going to apply it right on my crease, and then go ahead and use the blending brush to blend it out. You guys, like, if you want to define your crease, this is just the perfect crease brush. When I saw this brush in their eyeshadow collection, I got so excited because I've been wanting something like this, you guys. A very nice long detailed lid brush. Like, this is very precise. It's very slim and also long, so it's just perfect. Look at that, it's perfect for the lid. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Meanwhile, I saw just this brush right here from Anastasia, and it was, I believe, $25, either $20 or $25. So to get 5 of these brushes for $18, you can't beat it with a stick, honestly. And then I'm going to apply a wing liner with Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Liner Pen. I'm going to be using MAC Love Thin Blush, and to apply it I'm using this Beauty Crush Cosmetics Luxe Soft Blush Brush. And I actually like my blush brush to be this precise because it just makes it so much easier to go right on the apples of my cheek. Normally you wouldn't catch me applying highlights because of the fact that, as you all can see, I broke out here and also somewhere here. So normally I like to really apply my highlights down so that, you know, when I'm looking straight you can see my highlight. But because I'm breaking out on this area, I'm just going to apply my highlight right above. And I'm going to be testing out these 3 highlight brushes, you guys. Like, this is a Fawn detailer brush, this is a deluxe tapered highlight, and this one is a fluffy pointed highlight. Like 3 different highlight brushes in a set. You just continue to highlight all your life. So I'm going to go in with my MAC Oh Darling highlights. I'm definitely going to apply a little bit. I don't want to, you know, apply too much. I'm going to use their Fawn detailer brush. Oh my gosh, whoa, this Fawn brush is the business right here. I don't want to take the highlights down, so I'm definitely just gonna leave it here. So I'm going to try out this one. This really do remind me of the Anastasia highlight brush. Just going to pick on it. This brush is like, boom, take it. Like, wow. These 3 highlight brushes are very, very important. Like, you definitely need these in your brush collection. Look at that. This is so fluffy, look. It just, it's like a feather. So cute. So the last thing will be to go ahead and apply lipstick, and I'm literally obsessed with this E.Y.E.B.R.O.W Cosmetics Bloody Valentine Liquid Lipstick. This is my favorite red lip. Oh my gosh, guys, here we are with the finished look. Like I told you all, we were gonna go all out in today's makeup tutorial. Like, as you all can see, everything just blends in and flows flawlessly. Like, these brushes, you definitely need these brushes in your life. Like, honestly, you definitely need these because of the fact that they are very, very affordable, and also the quality is mind-blowing. Like, I wasn't expecting this. It's just these brushes I used for my whole face, and I'm very, 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 very impressed. Let me blend in this highlight right here. But oh my gosh, I'm literally like, I can't even wait to try this one out. This is kind of, I see why, like, this one is a large foundation, and then they also added a smaller foundation brush. And yeah, you guys, we finally come to the end of this makeup look. Like I told you guys that we were really gonna go out there for today's makeup look. I absolutely approve these brushes. You definitely need them in your life, and I'm going to link every single product I used in today's video in my description box, so definitely try and check that out. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.